So what makes you like one thing you're always in your bag if you're not eating whole day?
Oh, uh, nothing actually. My bag doesn't have food items.
Okay, anything you
Uh,
carry all the time which makes you healthy.
Damn it, I'm so bad at this.
Okay,
No,
nothing you carry.
water.
Water. How much like in a day like you get a time to drink a lot of water?
I'm trying. It's a everyday motivation to do more and more. But
And if you are getting a you have to actually cheat on your food. What are the three items you'll cheat? You'll just eat like anything.
I love biryani.
Okay.
And then I really like this dessert called tres leches. Or it has to be double ka meetha.
And today, as you're looking so beautiful, I must say. So, if you have to go for a date, what dress you will go? Western, traditional, or what will be like that?
It depends on the boy only.
Okay, but you don't know who's a boy actually.
Why would I go on a date with? No, I don't do blind
Okay,
dates.
blind dates.
No.
That's a good line. And recently we heard you are a fan of Prabhas. Like, what makes you to make fan? Like his work. What kind of work you love, or which movie is very favorite to you?
So my first Telugu movie in my life that I've ever seen is Varsham.
Okay.
So because of that, every time I see him, it gives me this nostalgic teenage girl in love kind of feeling. So maybe that's why. But apart from that, after meeting him, obviously the kind of way he is, the personality, and the way he's reached so many different new avenues in his career, I think that's inspiring.
I've interviewed all the Bollywood actresses who have worked with Prabhas. They always complained he makes us eat. So, as he made you eat something,
Yeah. We went for Jati Ratnalu promotions, and he had a whole chef team and all of that cooking. Yeah, that was whole. My mouth is watering.
and what is his favorite like now coming up Kalki and all? It's becoming a big, huge hit. Have you watched? Yeah. Sorry,
I
sorry.
watched. I watched. No, that's okay. That's okay. I watched. First day, second show or something. I went and watched. Full excitement. It feels like my home ground is doing it right. So I'm very proud.
I have not watched. That's why I'm asking you. You were there.
What are you doing? Why have you not watched it? What the whole industry is raving about
I
it. The
know.
world is raving about
But
it.
how you take this success is like a tsunami. I must say, it's like a tsunami, big tsunami in Telugu cinema again. We have made a mark again.
I'm like a small fish in that tsunami, so I just swam through and just had my fun. That's all.
But I want to know one thing, what exactly close to you, and you want to share it with the one thing close to your heart, and you want to share it with your fans on the shoot sets while meeting your favorite star or favorite movie, something.
No, this is very broad of a question. I don't know what to.
I mean, any movie. I mean, where you had a close moment and you enjoyed that movie. That always.
Every movie I have moments like this. Every day I'm looking to have fun with people that I'm working with. So all the
So,
movies are
what three
fun.
things you will say about this movie, Kalki, and your perception on that?
Literally a very very small cameo, and I did it because I love them. I love their drive. I love their passion, and it was such a huge opportunity to be a part of such a big canvas. So yeah, that's
You
it.
didn't meet all the stars like Deepika. You had your sharing moment space.
And of course, I met Disha and both. Of course, Prabhas. Yeah.
Prabhas. So
Not
anything-
Deepika, not Deepika.
Not
Just
Deepika. She was pregnant. I mean, there was some moment you shared. You were taking care as a co-star.
No, I was not shooting. You have to watch Kalki only, then I'll answer your question.
Okay, one message last. One message to your fans. Yeah.
I would just like to say that thank you for all the love that you always give me, and I'm very very excited for something new that's going to come up. You will soon see. But until then,
Goodbye. Thank you so
thank
much.
you.